Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. In the last class, in part 1 video class, we have seen about the nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones and isomerism in aldehydes and ketones and structure of carbonyl group. Now, in this part 2 video class, in this short revision of CET and NEET class, we are going to discuss completely about the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. So by using various types of methods, how to prepare the aldehydes and ketones. Completely we are going to be discussed in this class beta. Good. So first of all, from acid halides, how to prepare the aldehydes and ketones. Number one, the method is nothing but Rosenmund reduction. It is a suitable method for the preparation of aldehydes only, not for ketones. Okay, good. So by using Rosenmund and by using acid halide, how to prepare the aldehydes. Acyl halides, the general formula is R bonded to C double bond O bonded to X. This is nothing but acid halide, and if you want you can say acyl halide. It upon undergo reduction, nothing but addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen takes place by using Rosenmund reducing agent. Sir, what is the formula of Rosenmund reducing agent? Palladium Pd plus barium sulfate BaSO4. Palladium plus barium sulfate, this mixture is known as Rosenmund reducing agent. A formula CET में repeat हो चुका है बेटा. Try to remember. Okay, and now here you are going to get the product is what? Aldehyde R bonded to CHO. One of the hydrogen combines with X minus and goes to be removed in the form of what beta? HX. Nothing but hydrogen halide is a byproduct here. Okay. R C double bond OX, it is nothing but acid halide, and we can say acyl halide. It upon addition of hydrogen, nothing but what beta? Reduction. The reduction takes place using palladium plus barium sulfate, and it going to be formed. The product is aldehyde, and the byproduct is nothing but what beta? HX. Yes, let me write one example here. In place of R, I am going to consider here CH3. CH3 bonded to C double bond O. It bonded to what beta? X. So what is the name of this reactant? So we can say that it is nothing but acyl halide, and also we can say that acetyl halide, and simply we can say that acetyl chloride. Okay beta. Acetyl or acyl chloride, it upon reduction with addition of H2, reduction with palladium plus barium sulfate, it going to be formed the product. After the removal of HCl, we are going to get the product is, in place of Cl we have to be write H. So the answer is nothing but CH3 C double bond OH, and also we can say simply CH3 CHO. So what is the name of this reactant beta? Acetaldehyde. Acetyl chloride on reduction in Rosenmund method, that gives what is the product beta? Acetaldehyde. Yes, I want to write here another example for you. Benzene bonded to C double bond O, it bonded to Cl. What is the name of this reaction beta? So the expected name is nothing but benzol chloride. Benzol, keto group nana. It upon reduction, addition of H2, and reduction takes place using palladium plus what beta? Barium sulfate. Benzol chloride upon reduction, it changes into benzaldehyde. That means benzene bonded to C double bond OH, benzaldehyde. H combines with Cl and goes to be eliminated in the form of what beta? HCl. So here what is your final product beta? It is known as benzaldehyde. Acyl chloride on reduction gives acetaldehyde, and benzol chloride on reduction gives what beta? Benzaldehyde, by using Rosenmund reducing agent. What is the formula of Rosenmund reducing agent? Pd plus BaSO4, palladium plus barium sulfate. Samjhe beta? Good. Next, go for another method by using this acid halide. How to prepare the ketones? Okay, I am going to be right here B method. What I have told you from acid halide. So the formula is nothing but R bonded to C double bond O. C double bond O connected to X. R bonded to C double bond O, it connected to X. Otherwise you can write here simply Cl also likh sakte as you wish nana. So we can say this is nothing but acyl chloride, and also we can say that acid chloride as you wish. It upon reaction with cadmium, dialkyl cadmium R2CD. What is the name of this reactant? R2CD means dialkyl cadmium. Acyl chloride, or we can say acid chloride, it upon reaction with dialkyl cadmium, it forms the product is. Before going to write the product, here I want to write byproduct. CD, the charge is nothing but +2, it goes to be removed in the form of CdCl2. That means you require how many Cl atoms? 2 Cl atoms. So यहाँ पर 2 acyl chloride लिए तो बस हो जाता है बेटा. So acyl chloride on heating with or in reaction with dialkyl cadmium, it forms the product is ketone. R bonded to C double bond O. S2 R C double bond O group. I am going to be right here. Next R2, 2 alkyl groups are there. So right here R prime. So we can say R prime. How many groups are there? 2 groups are there. So what is your product beta? Yes, this is nothing but simply we have to say that ketone. So in this way, by using acid halides, we can prepare the aldehydes and ketones. Acid halides on Rosenman concept, they will change us into the aldehydes, and acid halides on reaction with the dialkyl cadmium, they are going to form the product is ketones. Clear beta? Good. Number 2 method, from reduction of cyanides, and also we can say that nitriles. Cyanides or nitriles. Reduction of cyanides or nitriles. So how they are responsible for the preparation of aldehyde or ketone? Let me explain that. Okay, this is a suitable method for the preparation of aldehyde only. Right now, cyanide, nothing but I want to consider alkyl cyanide. So cyanides upon reduction, they are going to form the product is aldehyde by using the method is Stephan reduction. So here I want to discuss about the Stephan reduction. Stephan reduction. So how to do Stephan reduction? From what Nana? Reduction of cyanide. Okay, cyanide formula, alkyl cyanide, R bonded to C, C triple bond N. So what is the name of this reactant beta? Simply we can say alkyl cyanide. And cyanide's IUPAC name is nothing but we can say they are nothing but the nitriles. You know very well. So cyanides upon reduction, nothing but addition of hydrogen. Is I am going to add here 2 hydrogens. Addition of free hydrogen goes to be takes place by using Stephan reducing agent. So what is the formula of Stephan reducing agent? SnCl2 plus concentrated HCl. It is known as Stephan reducing agent. Stannous chloride plus concentrated hydrochloric acid. Such mixture is known as Stephan reduction or Stephan reducing agent. So in presence of this Stephan reducing agent, one of the hydrogen given to C, it becomes CH, and one more hydrogen given to N becomes NH, and triple bond becomes double bond. So what we can write now, R bonded to CH and triple bond becomes double bond. And one more hydrogen given to N, and we have to say that N becomes NH. Samjhe beta? The compound name is called imine. What beta? Imine. And along with SnCl2, concentrated hydrochloric acid is there. That group will have to be repeat here as it is. So now we can say what is the name of this reactant or intermediate. This is nothing but imine group. Imine contains HCl. So the name of this compound is imine hydrochloride. What is the name of this compound beta? Imine hydrochloride. Such imine hydrochloride followed by undergo hydrolysis in acidic medium. So simply we can say acidic hydrolysis. Imine hydrochloride upon acidic hydrolysis, double bond goes to be break nana. After breaking of double bond from water molecule, oxygen given to CH. So here you are going to get the product is RCHO. The product is nothing but aldehyde. Remaining nitrogen contain already 2 hydrogen, from water molecule 2 hydrogen, total 4 means NH4 along with Cl. So I want to say that here the byproduct is nothing but NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. I hope you understand. Once again, alkyl cyanides, or we can say nitriles, upon reduction with SnCl2 plus concentrated HCl gives imine hydrochloride. It upon acidic hydrolysis gives aldehydes, and the byproduct is what beta? NH4Cl. Okay. is in place of R, I am going to be write CH3 bonded to C triple bond N. Nothing but methyl cyanide, and also we can say another common name. This is called acetonitrile. Acetonitrile upon Stephan reduction by using SnCl2 plus what beta concentrated HCl, and followed by directly I am going to write that final product followed by hydrolysis also. You are going to get the product in place of R we have taken CH3. So here you are getting the product is nothing but what beta acetaldehyde CH3CHO. So methyl cyanide or acetonitrile on Stephan reduction it gives the product is nothing but what beta acetaldehyde. Acetonitrile gives acetaldehyde. Now I am going to consider in place of R, try to consider benzene. So benzene bonded to C triple bond N. This is called phenyl cyanide, and also we can say another very important name. This is called benzonitrile. What we can say beta? Benzonitrile. Benzonitrile upon reduction with Stephan reducing agent SnCl2 plus concentrated HCl, and followed by we have to do second step hydrolysis, okay, in acidic medium, and you are getting the product is what aldehyde. Okay, RCN changes into RCHO, CH3CN changes into CH3CHO, and benzene CN changes into what, Nana? Benzene bonded to CHO. Nothing but here you are getting the product is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde. And in all cases, the common byproduct is nothing but ammonium chloride. Story clear, beta? So in that, okay, now in this way, by using the Stephan reduction, we can prepare the various types of aldehydes. So methyl cyanide gives acetaldehyde, acetonitrile gives acetaldehyde, and benzonitrile gives benzaldehyde. So this is also suitable method, okay, now only for the preparation of aldehydes. Only for aldehydes. Better story clear? Yes. Next go for, by using that cyanides, again how to prepare the aldehydes. We can't prepare ketone here. Another method is also there, not only Stephan. So that is nothing but I want to say here, using dibol H. Using dibol H. Sir, what do you mean by dibol H? Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. It's going to be act as reducing agent. By using this reducing agent also, we can reduce the cyanides into aldehydes. Okay, reaction. Again same thing, cyanide formula, R bonded to C, C triple bond N. The compound name is nothing but cyanide, and also we can say that nitrile. It upon reduction with dibol H, addition of 2 hydrogen. Reduction takes place using dibol H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So simply we can say that AlH, nothing but aluminium hydride. Which type of aluminium hydride? Isobutyl taken twice. Diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Cyanides upon reduction with dibol H, first of all it changes into imine. One hydrogen given to C, one more hydrogen given to N. Same like ebonana. Here also you are getting R bond, CH double bond NH. This is nothing but imine. Again imine followed by undergo acidic hydrolysis. That means hydrolysis in which medium beta? Acidic medium. So double bond goes to be break here. Oxygen atom given to CH, and CH goes to be converted into CHO. This is your product, that is nothing but aldehyde. Okay, oxygen given to central CH, and here the product is nothing but aldehyde. Remaining 2 hydrogens, they are given to what? NH, and that goes to be eliminated in the form of ammonia gas. Clear beta? Again you can write the examples. Acetonitrile gives acetaldehyde, benzonitrile gives benzaldehyde. In that manner, from the reduction of cyanides or nitriles, we can prepare here aldehydes. Clear beta? Good. Now, third method, that is nothing but from Grignard reagents. So how to prepare aldehydes and ketones by using Grignard reagents? Now I am going to show you better. Yes, number 3, from Grignard reagents. What is the formula of Grignard reagents, beta? RMGX. Yes, the formula of Grignard reagent is nothing but RMGX. Yes, here I am going to show you first method. Grignard reagents formula is RMGX. It upon reaction with, first of all, hydrogen cyanide. The formula HCl, or we can say HC triple bond N, and followed by hydrolysis will be takes place 2 moles of H2O in acidic medium. As per balancing here we require 2 moles of H2O beta, and reaction will be takes place in acidic medium. Okay, Grignard reagents on reaction with hydrogen cyanide, it going to be formed the product. Simply R group attacks upon CH. Okay, R group attacks upon CH. From water molecule you have to be considered oxygen. So your product is nothing but aldehyde. Remaining byproduct I want to tell you. Nitrogen accept here 3 hydrogen and it goes to be eliminated in the form of ammonia. Okay, I have written here. Remaining MgX is there, and from water molecule OH will be there. So we have to write the byproduct MgXOH. Nothing but hydroxy magnesium halide. That is the byproduct, and ammonia is nothing but free gas, and your product is nothing but what, beta? Aldehyde. Samjhe clearly? So RMGX is nothing but a Grignard reagent. It upon reaction with hydrogen cyanide, and followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium, it going to be formed. The product is nothing but what, beta? Acetone. Example: methyl magnesium bromide, it gives acetaldehyde. Phenyl magnesium bromide, that gives what? Benzaldehyde. Like that you can prepare the products normal. Once again, in place of our CH3, acetaldehyde, in place of our benzene, benzaldehyde. Like that all different types of aldehydes you can prepare now. Next, in that I want to discuss one more. RMGX, nothing but a Grignard reagent. It upon reaction with, first reaction with hydrogen cyanide, now with alkyl cyanide. R bonded to C, C triple bond N, followed by what, beta? Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis in which medium? Acidic medium. Same thing, beta. Again triple bond goes to be break here. Already here R prime C group is there. Yes, I am going to be right here as it is. Such central C goes to be attacked by R minus of Grignard reagent. Yes, मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया. And from water molecule you have to be considered only oxygen. So which product here you are getting? Ketones you are getting. Again remaining 2 byproducts are same. One is nothing but NH3 and one more is nothing but MgXOH, nothing but hydroxy magnesium halide. And what is your final product here? R bonded to C double bond O bonded to R. This is your final product. It is known as ketones. Yes, Cr Grignard reagent on reaction with RCl, nothing but alkyl cyanide, or we can say nitriles, followed by hydrolysis. It going to be formed the product. The product is nothing but what, beta? Ketones. So once again statement: Grignard reagent on reaction with hydrogen cyanide and followed by hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Grignard reagent on reaction with alkyl cyanide and followed by hydrolysis, it gives ketones. Okay, na? Right. So listen carefully. I want to ask you one question I want to ask you. In place of R, consider CH3. Here also you consider CH3, nothing but CH3 bond, C double bond O bond, CH3. Acetone you are going to be get. Okay, one is CH3, one more is benzene. You are getting acetophenone. So like acetone, acetophenone, all types of aldehydes and ketones we can prepare from Grignard reagent with hydrogen cyanide gives aldehyde and other alkyl cyanide gives ketones. Good. Next, again from Grignard reagent, another reaction I am going to give you. Grignard reagent formula RMGX. It upon reaction with formyl chloride. Sir, what is the formula of formyl chloride? H bonded to C double bond O bonded to Cl. Okay. Now listen carefully. Formyl chloride, or we can say formyl halide. Here you can write RMgCl. No problem na beta. Yes, any halogen you can consider. इसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So RMgCl or nothing but Grignard reagent. It upon reaction with formyl chloride. Try to focus on this name only. Formyl chloride. What is the name of formyl, beta? H bonded to C double bond O. Formyl chloride. So now HC double bond O contain the charge plus, and here R contain the charge minus. Minus attacks upon plus, nothing but R CHO. Here also you are getting the product is aldehyde, and remaining MgCl, nothing but MgCl2 is the byproduct. Okay. Grignard reagent Zr, It upon reaction with formyl chloride and it going to be formed, the product is aldehyde. In place of our CH3, that is nothing but acetaldehyde. In place of our benzene, that is nothing but benzaldehyde. Like that, applications you have to be think yourself. Yes, another I want to give you here. RMgCl, nothing but Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium chloride. Here you suppose it undergo reaction with acyl chloride. Nothing but in place of H, I want to write CH3. Okay, CH3. Again same thing. CH3 C double bond O, charge is nothing but plus, it goes to be attacked by R minus. CH3 C double bond O, I am going to be right here as it is. Central C contains the charge positive and it goes to be attacked by negative, so simply we can say R. Remaining MgCl, again another Cl, it goes to be removed in the form of what beta? MgCl2. So here what is your final product beta? Ketone. In place of R, if we consider CH3, that is nothing but acetone. In place of R, if we consider benzene, that gives acetophenone. Like that. So final touch again. Grignard reagents on reaction with formyl chloride gives aldehyde. Again on reaction with acyl chloride gives ketone. Good. And from Grignard reagent, another topic, Nana, or MgX, nothing but Grignard reagent. And you suppose it undergo reaction with alkyl formate. What beta? Alkyl formate. Formate, here I am going to show you the formula. H bonded to C double bond O, again bonded to O minus. HCOO, formate ion. But I have told you which formate? Alkyl formate. So it connected to R group. Okay, listen carefully. HC double bond O contain the charge plus, it goes to be attacked by R minus. So R bonded to CHO. That means your product is RCHO aldehyde. And here you are going to get the byproduct MgX in bracket mein OR minus. So we have to be say that alkoxy magnesium halide. Alkoxy magnesium halide, that will be here, okay now, your byproduct, but main product is nothing but what beta? Aldehyde. What is the name of this reaction? Grignard reagent. And what about this group beta? It is nothing but alkyl formate. Alkyl formate. Once again, Grignard reagent on reaction with alkyl formate, it going to form the product that is nothing but what beta? Aldehyde. Okay, good, Nana. Next, and the byproduct is alkoxy magnesium halide. That is common thing, you know very well. Again, another reaction I am going to be right here. RMgX means Grignard reagent. It upon reaction with alkyl alkanoate. This is formate. Now I am saying alkyl alkanoate, nothing but in place of H, you have to be right R group. R bonded to C double bond O. Again C double bond O bonded to O. O bonded to R. Again same thing यहाँ पर break करके आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? Plus लिख सकते हैं. So what is the name of this compound? The side chain is alkyl. Remaining is nothing but alkanoate because of it is an ester. Alkyl alkanoate. So Grignard reagent on reaction with alkyl alkanoate again gives the compound is nothing but what? Ketone. R bonded to C double bond O, it contains the charge plus, goes to be attacked by minus. So R C double bond O, this group I am going to be right here as it is. Positive species going to be attacked by R minus group. So यहाँ पर लिख रहा हूँ मैं. So your product is nothing but what beta? Ketone. And what will be the byproduct here? Same thing. MgXOR, nothing but alkoxy magnesium halide. Yes. Once again listen carefully. 3 cases are there. Again in the 2 sub cases are there. Total 6 reactions by using what? Grignard reagent. Once again I am going to repeat the statement. Grignard reagents on reaction with hydrogen cyanide gives aldehyde and other alkyl cyanide gives ketones. Grignard reagents on reaction with formyl chloride gives aldehyde and acyl chlorides or acid chloride gives ketones. Grignard reagents on reaction with, okay now beta, alkyl formate gives aldehyde and alkyl alkanoate gives ketone. So these are the methods of preparations commonly we have to use for what beta? Aldehydes and ketones. Let us see some other methods of preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Yeah. From fourth one. From reduction of esters using Dibol H. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Okay. Tell me first of all what will be the formula of ester. R bonded to C double bond O, bonded to O, again O bonded to R prime. So this is nothing but what beta? Ester. It upon reduction, nothing but addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen takes place by using one reducing agent. So the reducing agent is Dibol H, diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and also we can consider sodium aluminum hydride, NaAlH4. And here you are getting two products. So in that mixture of two products, one of the product is aldehyde, one of the hydrogen given to RC double bond O group. So RC double bond OH, this is your product. The name of this product is aldehyde. समझे ना? Good. And one more hydrogen given to what? RO prime. Okay na? RO minus attacked with H plus. So we can say another product is nothing but R prime OH. So this is your product is nothing but alcohol. So here you are getting mixture of two products. One is aldehyde and one more is nothing but alcohol. Good. So these are the few common methods for the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Rosenman only for aldehyde, Stephen only for aldehyde, but from Grignard reagent we can prepare in every method aldehyde ketone, aldehyde ketone, aldehyde ketone, like that. But from reduction of esters we will get only aldehyde, and one more is also we are getting what beta? Alcohol. No more ketone here. Okay na? Good. Up to now we have prepared 4 methods of preparations of aldehydes and ketones. In that all methods we have prepared only aliphatic aldehyde and okay na, and aliphatic what na? Ketone. Yes, in few cases aromatic ketone also came, but mostly aliphatic na. Okay. Now here I want to discuss how to prepare purely aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones. Yes. Preparations of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Preparations of aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones. How to prepare the aromatic aldehydes and ketones? In that first method I am going to discuss with you. That is nothing but you know very well, very important method, that is known as Ethod reaction. Ethod reaction. In Ethod method what we have to do beta? Oxidation of toluene करना पड़ेगा. So simply I am going to be mentioned here. Oxidation of toluene. Yeah, I am going to give the explanation now. Toluene, what do you mean by toluene beta? Yes, simply we have to be consider that methyl benzene, toluene बोल सकते हैं. Methyl benzene upon oxidation with what? Oxidation with, here we required one oxidizing agent, that is nothing but chromyl chloride. A question दुनिया भर previous competitive exam में repeat हुआ ना. What is the oxidizing agent in Ethod reaction? Chromyl chloride. What is the formula of chromyl chloride? CrO2Cl2. It going to be act as oxidizing agent in Ethod reaction for the oxidation of toluene. Okay. Here you required as per balancing 2 moles of chromyl chloride, 2 moles of CrO2Cl2. So the compound name is called toluene. Toluene upon oxidation with chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, and here you require supporting solvent. If you want you can consider CS2 or otherwise you can consider CCl4, carbon tetrachloride and also carbon disulfide. In presence of any one supporting solvent we can consider this Ethod reaction. Good. And now here you are going to get one of the intermediates, very important intermediates. Okay, now this is also repeated question in your CET exam meta. in your competitive exams. AB previous competitive question में repeat हुआ बेटा. So what will be the intermediate in Itard reaction? Intermediate is a brown color complex. It is the complex of which metal? Chromium central metal. समझे ना? Good. So it is nothing but what now here we are getting one of the intermediates. First of all we have to be considered what? Benzene. Benzene connected to what is the group beta? CH. In bracket may we have to be read that OCRO HCl2 all taken twice. OCRO HCl2 taken twice. Okay, now it's a toluene with 2 moles of chromyl chloride. This intermediate you are going to be get. No more elimination, just addition of 2 moles of chromyl chloride. You are going to get this intermediate. Try to remember the formula and name. So it is a brown color complex, and brown color complex of which metal? Central metal is nothing but chromium. So brown color complex of iron. Sorry, it is on brown color complex of which metal beta? Chromium complex, and also we can say that okay na brown color chromium complex बोल सकते हैं. That is your intermediate only. On reaction with what I have told you, chromyl chloride. Now that undergo hydrolysis in acidic medium, simply we have to say that it undergo acidic hydrolysis. Upon acidic hydrolysis, finally here you are going to get the product is benzaldehyde. Sir, how? Listen carefully here. In that chromium brown complex, benzene bonded to CH. CH contain taken twice group. Whatever that may be the groups. Okay, now chhod do. Taken twice is there. Nothing but upon CH, how many bonds are there? 2 bonds are there. Okay, after breaking of such 2 bonds, we have to be attack the oxygen. Because of oxygen is what? Divalent. That's why finally we have to be say that here the product is nothing but what? Benzaldehyde. So what is your final product in Itard reaction? Benzaldehyde. What is the oxidizing agent? Chromyl chloride. And what is the intermediate complex? Okay, now brown color chromium complex. Like that we have to be considered. Toluene on oxidation with chromyl chloride in presence of CS2 gives a brown color chromium complex, which upon acidic hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Like that, try to remember the statement. Good. Number 2. Using Gedderman-Koch reaction. Yes, this also you know very well. You may have studied for theory point of view also. Gedderman-Koch reaction. Gedderman-Koch reaction. And another reaction is also there, Gedderman formylation. By using that also we can prepare benzaldehyde. But that is for out of NCERT. पहले अपन NCERT discuss करेंगे. Gedderman-Koch reaction. So first of all we have to be considered that a benzene ring. Okay. It upon reaction with a mixture of carbon monoxide plus hydrochloric acid, CO plus HCl, and Gedderman-Koch reaction, it was taking place in presence of a supporting catalyst, that is nothing but anhydrous AlCl3, and also we have to be considered here a traces amount of Q plus chloride, nothing but Cu2Cl2. लिटिल बिट अमाउंट में ऐड कर सकते हैं जस्ट टू एनहांस द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन के लिए. गुड. लिसन केयरफुली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये रिएक्शन गोइंग टू बी टेक्स प्लेस बिटवीन CO एंड HCl. इस दो के बीच में रिएक्शन चलेगा. रिएक्शन होने के बाद आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू रिमूव वन हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम बेंजीन. यू डिनोट एज H prime. Now H prime combines with again Cl minus from this mixture and goes to be removed in the form of HCl. But try to remember, here also we are taking HO plus Cl. This HCl, okay now, won't be comes out as it is in the form of HCl. यहाँ पर reactant में भी HCl है बेटा, product में भी HCl है. But in that product HCl, that H is coming from benzene, not from this mixture. So यहाँ पर भी H prime and यहाँ पर भी क्या लिखना H prime. That means that hydrogen coming from the benzene, not from the okay ना is CO and HCl mixture. Now listen carefully. After removal of H prime, this place was vacant. Now such vacant place undergo formylation, nothing but attacking of formyl group. Okay, HCO, and also we can say that CHO directly formyl group attacks upon benzene. So remaining is nothing but what beta here benzene. Benzene goes to undergo formylation, attacking of formyl group, attacking of CHO. H plus combines, sorry, H prime combines with Cl, removed in the form of H prime Cl. Remaining is CHO. Formylation takes place upon benzene. This is your final product. The name of this product is called benzaldehyde. What is your product beta? Benzaldehyde. Good. Now I am going to consider a third concept. That is nothing but Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation method. Yeah. By using such Friedel-Crafts acylation method, how to prepare the aromatic ketone? Up to now we have prepared in ITAD aromatic aldehyde, that is nothing but benzaldehyde. In Gedermann-Koch, yes, here also we have prepared aromatic aldehyde, nothing but benzaldehyde. But in Friedel-Crafts acylation, we are going to prepare the aromatic ketone, that is nothing but acetophenone. Shall we prepare beta? Yes, you know very well. Yeah. Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene. Yes, I am going to write here benzene. Benzene undergo the process acylation, nothing but reaction with acyl chloride. CH3 bond, C double bond OCl. Acyl chloride, and also you can say acetyl chloride. So benzene on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of, you know very well, all Friedel-Crafts reactions, they goes to be carried out in presence of Lewis acids. That is nothing but in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. It is a type of electrophilic substitution reaction. Because of in this reaction, the electrophile is acyl group and here Cl minus is there. Now from benzene ring, I am going to remove the H. H combines with Cl and goes to be removed in the form of HCl. Remaining group is nothing but C double bond OCH3. It going to be act as electrophile. Electrophile attacking takes place upon benzene. So here I am going to be consider that benzene. From benzene we are removing one hydrogen, that hydrogen is okay now vacant place. Such vacant place goes to be attacked by electrophile. C double bond O CH3. C double bond O CH3. Yes, this is your final product. The product name is called acetophenone. What is your final product beta? Acetophenone, and also we can say that methyl phenyl ketone. अपन ऐसे कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. समझे बेटा? और एक बार benzene on reaction with acyl chloride, and also we can say that acetyl chloride. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, it going to form a product that is nothing but acetophenone. समझे बेटा clearly? Yes, up to now. First method aromatic aldehyde. This is for preparation of aromatic aldehyde, but this is for preparation of aromatic ketone. Another two methods are there for the preparation of aromatic aldehydes. So once again try to say the revision beta. What is the formula of chromyl chloride? CrO2Cl2. What is the oxidizing agent in ITAD reaction? Chromyl chloride. What is the intermediate of ITAD reaction beta? Yes, you are getting brown color chromium complex. What is the final product in ITAD reaction? Benzaldehyde. And what is the final product in Gedermann-Koch reaction? Benzaldehyde. What is the catalyst in Gedermann-Koch reaction? Anhydrous AlCl3. What is the final product in Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene? Acetophenone. Like that, try to remember. Okay? I say questions aate that aapko CET mein. Good. Next, so three methods are completed for the preparations of aromatic aldehydes and ketones. Next year I am going to show you fourth method. Oxidation of or simply we can say that from toluene using acetic anhydride, nothing but AC2O. What is mean by AC2O? AC2O का meaning अपन यहाँ पर बता सकते हैं. That is nothing but acetic anhydride. So how does toluene or we can say methyl benzene undergo reaction with acetic anhydride? So here I want to say that. So toluene का meaning क्या बता सकते हैं? That is nothing but methyl benzene eat upon oxidation with acetic anhydride. Yes, we are going to consider that acetic anhydride. Now I am going to show the reaction directly. So by using toluene and acetic anhydride, now we are going to prepare the what beta? Aromatic aldehyde, that is nothing but benzaldehyde. Okay, toluene formula, benzene, benzene bonded to CH3. Okay, I have written here. What is the name of this compound beta? Toluene. It upon reaction with acetic anhydride, CH3 bond, C double bond O, taken twice. Again outside what will be there? Both the C double bond O groups connected to common oxygen. This is your formula of what beta? Acetic anhydride, simply we can say AC2O. Such acetic anhydride, okay now, undergo reaction with the toluene, but reaction taking place in presence of CrO3, it also going to be act as oxidizing agent. So toluene on oxidation with acetic anhydride in presence of CrO3, it going to form one of the intermediates. So what will be the intermediate here? First of all, I am going to be consider here benzene. Benzene connected to here CH group, and here in bracket may 2 moles of acetate ions will be there. CH3COO taken twice. Here this intermediate you are getting after the loss of water molecule. Everything will be balanced. If you want, you can count it up. So how many acetate ions are there? 2 acetate ions are there. 2 acetate ions, here they are present upon only 1 carbon. So we can say this is nothing but ZEM compound. Okay. And what will be its name? The name is nothing but benzylidene acetate. How to write the name of ZEM compounds? Alkylidene halide. So this is nothing but benzylidene acetate. It upon followed by hydrolysis in acidic medium. Again same thing here. Benzene bonded to CH. I am going to write here as it is. CH connected to acetate ion taken twice. Upon CH 2 acetate ions are there. Nothing but upon CH 2 bonds are there. After breaking of such 2 bonds, simply we have to attack with, simply we have to balance with oxygen of water molecule. So this is your final product. The final product is nothing but benzaldehyde. समझ गए? Remaining 2 H plus ions are there in water molecule. They attacks upon to acetate and goes to be removed in the form of 2 moles of acetic acid. This is your byproduct. Now I am going to give you the statement. Try to focus on the statement. Toluene on reaction with acetic anhydride in presence of chromic oxide gives ZEM compound, or you can say benzylidene acetate, which upon acidic hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde, and byproduct is nothing but what beta? Acetic acid. Last time final method as per NCERT point of view, that is nothing but by preparation of aromatic aldehyde by side chain chlorination of toluene. By what is the method beta? By side chain chlorination of toluene. By side chain chlorination of toluene. Okay. Toluene upon side chain chlorination in presence of sunlight and followed by alkaline hydrolysis, it going to be formed. The product is aromatic aldehyde. Okay, मैं यहाँ पर आपके लिए रिएक्शन बता रहा हूँ बेटा. Try to be focus here. Toluene. What is the formula of toluene? Benzene. Benzene bonded to CH3. Toluene undergoes side chain chlorination. Anyway, chlorination. What do you mean by chlorination? Addition of Cl2. But chlorination takes place upon benzene ring. Listen carefully. Chlorination upon benzene means anhydrous AlCl3. Electrophilic substitution चाहिए. But here chlorination upon you required upon benzene or you required upon side chain. So once again carefully, chlorination upon attacking of chlorine upon benzene will be takes place in presence of AlCl3. But here chlorination we required upon side chain. Attacking of chlorine upon side chain takes place only in presence of sunlight. It is a free radical substitution reaction. Nothing but 2 hydrogen combines with 2 Cl and goes to be removed in the form of 2 moles of HCl. समझ गए बेटा? Right. Okay, 2 hydrogen remove करने के बाद remaining only 1 hydrogen will be there. That is nothing but benzene. Benzene connected to the group is CH. लिखा किए? Good. So 2 hydrogen combines with 2 Cl and goes to be removed in the form of what? 2 moles of HCl. But for the removal of 2 moles of hydrogen, here you require 2 moles of Cl2. 2 to the 4 chlorine, यहाँ पर 2 chlorine, remaining 2 chlorines are there, like. So the reactant name is nothing but toluene. It upon reaction with chlorine in presence of sunlight undergo side chain chlorination. Side chain chlorination होना है तो क्या चाहिए बेटा? Sunlight चाहिए, not AlCl3. So after removal of 2 moles of HCl, here also 2 chlorines they are present upon only 1 carbon. It is also gem compound, but the name of this compound is called benzylidene chloride. Benzylidene chloride, and also we can say that benzyl chloride. Try to remember. It upon hydrolysis, nothing but hydrolysis. Which type of hydrolysis? Not simple acidic hydrolysis. This is hydrolysis in basic medium. So we have to say that it is nothing but alkaline hydrolysis method. Means we have to be considered that 2 moles of aqueous NaOH add करना पड़ेगा. Now 2 sodium combines with 2 Cl and goes to be removed in the form of 2 moles of NaCl. After removal of 2 Cl, such 2 Cl positions they goes to be replaced by 2 OH group. So here you are getting one of the again intermediate benzene bonded 2 CH. 2 Cl they goes to be replaced by 2 OH group. So we can say OH taken twice. It is unstable, highly unstable, because of here in this compound 2 OH groups they are present upon 1 carbon. 2 OH or 3 OH if they are present upon single carbon, that is unstable form, and it is ready to lose H2O molecule after the loss of water molecule. That means after dehydration, here you are going to get the product is benzaldehyde. What is the product you are getting beta? Benzaldehyde. ये तुम्हारा यहाँ पर final product हो सकता है बेटा. So once again, toluene upon side chain chlorination in presence of sunlight gives benzyl chloride, which upon alkaline hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. This is the story about the preparations of aromatic aldehydes and aromatic ketones. And in tomorrow, so as per NCERT textbook, all the preparations of aldehydes and ketones are over. And in tomorrow's class, I want to tell you some more out of NCERT textbook. Textbook के NCERT बाहर से, okay ना? Some more methods are there for the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Such some more out of NCERT questions, such some more out of NCERT preparations of aldehydes and ketones that we will discuss in tomorrow's class. I hope you understand this clearly. वो बाद में बेटा, पहले ये primary. These are very important from NCERT textbook. ये perfectly पढ़ाई करो. This is enough to you. Okay ना? चल, मिलेंगे next class में.